Gates open, they're up and racing. Doomstead draws for your lead, moving up by the rail. Stand by your man, running on the outside is Rising Star. Panamera is running by the rail port. Then racing in peep, Dr. Choice, followed by Nose West. Then next in line, Living for Love, and trailing the group is Rampage as they pass the last 800. Stand by your man, this time by about 7 lengths. Then running in second is Panamera, racing in third, Rising Star. Doomstead racing in fourth, down in fifth, Dr. Choice, Nose West. Then comes Living for Love, and Rampage still running at the tail of the field as they race at the final corner. Stand by your man. Panamera now getting closer on the outside. Stand by your man, Panamera. Moving up on the outside. Dr. Choice by the rail, Rising Star. With the last 150 more to run. We have Rising Star takes the lead on the outside. Dr. Choice by the rail. We have Rising Star doing the better over Dr. Choice. Then comes Stand by your man, Panamera, Living for Love, Doomstead, Nose West, and Rampage.